Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and inputs so you don't troubleshoot the wrong problem. Plug the speaker in or ensure battery is above 20% because low power can alter pairing. Next, identify the speaker's available inputs. 3. 5mm aux, optical, RCA, or Bluetooth mode. Note which you have on your source device. Once done, set the speaker to the matching input or pairing state and make sure the source device is awake and ready to transmit audio. You now create the actual connection. If you're using a cable, plug it fully into both source and speaker and use the shortest good quality cable to reduce noise. If you're using Bluetooth, put the speaker in discoverable mode. Then on your phone or laptop, select the speaker name and enter a PIN only if prompted. Once paired or wired, set source volume to 50% and speaker to 30-50% so you can fine-tune without distortion. This prevents sudden loud bursts. You finish by testing and confirming everything works. Play music, a podcast, and a video to check tonal balance and lip sync. If audio is missing, first verify the correct input is selected, then reset cables and check Bluetooth status on both devices. Make sure app volume and OS output are set to the speaker. If problems persist, restart both devices, try a different cable or source, and only then perform a factory reset on the speaker. This clears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.